Hello students, welcome to State Civil Service Updates with Dr. Vivek Rana. Hope all of you are doing well. So yesterday, Himachal Pradesh Public Service Commission has declared final results for HPAS exam. So we congratulate all 17 candidates who have made it to their dream civil services. Now, people who have not made it to the final list, they should not lose heart because HPSC has already released the next notification. There are 11 seats this time, 2 in, you could say, the police services, rest are in the executive. So the last date to fill form for this examination is 14 June. So make sure you go through the detailed notification if you are a new aspirant. Otherwise, there are no substantial changes in pattern and the nominal fee of 400 is to be paid, and you have to be, for eligibility conditions, you have to, minimal age is 21 and the upper age is 35 years in general category, and then relaxations are available in reserve category list. So you can go through the detailed notification. In prelim stage, there is not much difference when we compare it to UPSC. There is a, you could say, general study test and CSAT, which is of qualifying nature. In mains, more or less, if we compare it to UPSC, there is no ethics paper. Otherwise, the languages paper, Hindi, English are of qualifying nature. You have to score minimal 40% in order to get your GS and optional subject evaluated. Only single optional is to be prepared, and 2 papers would be asked in the mains from this optional subject. Make sure you are clear right from the start which optional you want to choose for mains examination. And the final stage is interview, where personality of a candidate is tested, whether the person is fit enough, or you could say has the right temperament to be a good civil servant and serve Himachal Pradesh well. Also, the preference at times is given to the local, you could say, the candidates, because Himachal being, you could say, a tough state to serve due to geographical challenges. So make sure you get that advantage in your, if you are a Himachal resident. Now, if you are having any difficulty regarding preparation, or you want to start afresh for Himachal Pradesh administrative services, then Vivek IAS Career Academy is starting its fresh GS batches from next week. Make sure you can walk in as per your convenience and attend few demo lectures to get acclimatized to our way of teaching, and we will be ready to stream your, you could say, streamline your preparation, help you ace this exam time. So for any doubts or any preparation related queries, feel free to connect. You can contact us on number mentioned in description box. So wishing all the aspirants who are aspiring for Himachal Pradesh administrative services best of luck, and also students who are preparing on this Sunday on HCS and next week in UPSC, Vivek IAS Career Academy team would like to wish you best of luck. So do well and make sure to stay connected with us. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.